Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Dark mode not only gives your favorite app a sleek look, but it's also useful for reducing eye strain, especially in low light conditions. Additionally, it can help extend your device's battery life. So if you want to learn how to enable dark mode, stay until the end of this video and follow my steps. Before we start, first open the Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the TikTok app. If you don't, update it right away. Once you're done with that, open the TikTok app. As soon as you open it, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. When you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now select the Settings and Privacy option. When you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the Display option, then tap it. Finally, just tap the Dark option and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Thanks for watching.